Hello friend, today we will start create the civil create alignment to civil 3D. So here we are. Let's start how to create alignment in civil 3D. So let's suppose we have one polyline. So this is the polyline we have. It's easy. Go to alignment, create alignment from polyline. If we don't have polyline, if we have other lines, we make edit it and convert it to polyline. Click enter. If you need reverse means station start from the side. So we need to start from here. Click enter. Create alignment name, alignment AB. Starting station 0. 0 is station ID. So you can give 5 or 10, anything. Giving 5. Okay. So this is our alignment. Go to properties. Check design criteria. Is there any error? It's okay. I need some setting additional. Go to alignment. Edit alignment label. Here is a label showing an alignment. So we have measure station, minus station, geometry points, station equation. We don't need to get very from okay. Design speed we also no need, just cross geometry. So enter. Okay. So this is showing the stations and stick. This is parallel showing if you need to showing the alignment and remove, then add major stations perpendicular before showing the parallel and geometry point. Add, apply. Okay. So this is civil 3D alignment. So click save. If you need alignment report, just go to open toolbox, go to the report manager, alignment, stationary curve. For alignments, offset, don't have. Okay. So you can change the format. Need Excel. Save in desktop. So 3D. Save. So this is our alignment report. Station start and station. This is the coordinate showing there. So this is the method to create alignment through Civil 3D. In next video we will create ground surface profile. So thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.